If you want to fix Google Play Store not working on your phone, follow the simple steps. So the first thing what we can do is to restart our phone. So in my case, I have to hold power button and volume down button simultaneously. After that, I will summon a power off menu, choose my restart option, and after our phone is restarted, check whether your Google Play Store works, because sometimes it can solve some minor issues. The next thing is to check your Google Play Store settings. So open up your settings. After that, scroll down to your apps section. And here we gotta find our Google Play Store. Here it is. So first of all, press on your storage icon, press clear cache right here at the bottom there, press clear data, confirm your choice by pressing delete, then go back, find these three dots at the top right corner and press uninstall update and then press OK. After that, go back to your settings, then scroll down to your software update section, press download and install, and make sure that your software is up to date. If not, install it. This will fix a lot of issues. Now let's try opening up Play Store. Press get started. You may be asked to use your password or use biometrics. Let's choose use biometrics. And as you see, it works again. For example, let's try install this application, and it's successfully getting installed. So the issue is fixed. If the Play Store still doesn't work, check your internet connection. So swipe down twice from the screen and make sure you have your Wi-Fi or your mobile data on. Also try switching them on or off. Maybe that will work, and if nothing helps, consider adding a different Google account. So open up your settings, find your accounts and backup option, and here add up your Google account. Press manage accounts, press add account, choose Google, verify your identity or use your PIN, and simply add up your new account. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.